Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube playback error. So actually it is very easy. First of all, of course, we need to go to the settings on our device and check our internet connection, because this may be the main reason of why we get this type of problem. So first of all, go to the Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi that is connected to the internet. Otherwise, you need to choose another connection here from this list, or just simply reset the Wi-Fi connection, turn it off for a while and then turn it on again. Now go back. If you're using mobile service, you need to also click on the mobile service here and turn off the mobile data for like 5 seconds and then turn it on again like this. Then go back, and the final step is you need to toggle on the airplane mode just for another 5 seconds and turn it off once again. Once you did this, you need to go back to the YouTube and check if everything is fine here or not. If the problem still persists, the next thing I'll suggest you to do is you need to go back to the settings, scroll down a little bit until you'll find General with a little gear icon. Click on it. Now click on the iPhone storage, the third option here. And now in the iPhone storage, we need to find in this list of applications the YouTube application. So here it is, click on it. And now all we have to do is to simply delete the cache of this application, because cache may be the reason why we get this type of problem. So now click on the offload app and confirm the action clicking on the offload app once again, and then reinstall the application from the same screen. Now check if the problem is gone or not. If the problem still persists, the third way of how you can fix the problem is you need to open the App Store and go to the search in the bottom right corner and search for YouTube application here. So basically now we will check if the YouTube is updated or not. So click on the YouTube, and if you see the update button like me here, it means you're using the old version of YouTube, so you need to update it, because maybe in the newest versions of YouTube this problem is already fixed. So once you updated YouTube, check if the problem is gone or not. And if this problem still persists, the last thing I'll suggest you to do is to simply open your browser, and here in the search bar you need to type down detector YouTube. So basically go and find the website called Down Detector for YouTube and click on the first link here, and basically make sure that there is no problems with the YouTube servers at the moment. So check on this graph, and basically you can also scroll down and find some comments from other people. If they are complaining about the same problem as you have, it basically means that the problem is not from your side, it is from the side of the YouTube servers, and you just need to wait a little bit until the problem will be resolved by the developers. And basically that is it. That is how you can fix the playback error on YouTube. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.